Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'll be showing you how to draw a basketball and a basketball hoop. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our basketball and our basketball hoop, let's begin by making the basketball rim. So I'm going to start right here and let's just make an oval shape right along here. Then I like to make this little curve shape right inside of here. Next, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down like this at an angle, and then one here for the net. Let's curve it like this. Then let's go ahead and make some nice diagonal lines right across here. And then let's make some more diagonal lines right across here. Now, starting here, let's go ahead and draw a line that's going to come out, and then a line that's going to come out here. Now, right up here, before we do anything else, I'm actually going to be drawing the basketball. So I'm just going to make a circle like this for our basketball. Next, I'm going to bring this line up, and I'm going to bring this line up. I'm going to make this line come up. We're going to go over and then connect it down to here. Next, I'm going to make a little diagonal here and a little diagonal here, and I'll just connect it to kind of make it look 3D. Now, right here, let's draw a line that's going to come across. We're going to go up, over, and then down to connect it. Then let's just make another shape like that right inside of here. Now, right along the edge, I'm just going to kind of make a little outline of our basketball board, or our backboard, I should say. Now, to add some fun to this, I'm going to give this a face. So I'm going to draw a circle for an eye. I'm going to leave some space, and I'll make another circle for an eye over here. I want to make a little dot like this for a pupil, and then another one here. I'll make a line across with a nice big smile. Draw a line for some teeth, and then a tongue right here. Now over here, let's make our basketball. First, I'm actually going to give it a little face. So I'm going to make a circle for an eye, and then another circle for an eye close to the edge right here. I'm going to put a little dot here and a little dot here for the pupil. Then we're going to make a little curve for the mouth. We'll make a line here and then a curve here for the tongue. Now for the lines on our basketball, let's go ahead and make a curve like this. It's just going to go down to the mouth and it's going to jump over. Then right here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to come down to here, to the eye, and back over. Same thing here, kind of curve this to the eye. Then let's go ahead and make a little curve across there. Then we'll go ahead and make a couple little lines like this for the basketball. And there you go. There is your drawing of a basketball and a basketball hoop. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.